Latitudes and longitudes. Yesterday, ma'am took my test on latitudes and longitudes. I'm very weak at it, but I succeeded, and I'm gonna tell you how I succeeded. Latitudes and longitudes are also known as the imaginary lines. These imaginary lines are measured in degrees. The Earth is divided into two halves, known as the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Latitudes. Latitudes are the horizontal imaginary lines on Earth. There are 181 latitudes in total from north to south. The important latitudes are the Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and the Antarctic Circle. Equator is the main latitude because it is in the center. It is the only latitude which is in 0 degrees. The latitudes are called parallel. The latitudes are called as parallel of latitudes. That's because it is parallel and they never meet. Longitudes. Longitudes are the vertical lines on the Earth. These longitudes are also known as the meridians, which is called midday in Latin. There are some important meridians, which are the International Dateline Prime Meridian, also known as the Greenwich Meridian. There are 361 longitudes in total from east to west. The International Dateline. When the Earth finishes its rotation, the International Dateline changes the date. Revise and recall. Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and Antarctic Circles are some of the main latitudes. Greenwich Meridian or the Prime Meridian and the International Dateline are some of the important longitudes. Activity time. Today's activity. Step 1. Take two circle papers and a sketch pen. Step 2. In the first circle paper, draw the important latitudes. Step 3. Take the second circle paper and draw the longitudes on it and read those. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like and share this video. And don't forget to even ring the bell icon of the channel. Bye guys.